Water, essential to life, yet its origin remains one of Earth's greatest enigmas. Understanding where water came from could reshape our understanding of Earth's formation and even the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. Billions of years ago, Earth was a fiery ball of molten rock, seemingly incapable of sustaining life. Yet, against all odds, water emerged. But how? Some scientists believe that Earth's water was here all along, trapped deep within its molten layers. As the planet cooled, this water might have slowly bubbled to the surface. Others point to an even more astonishing theory, that water came from space. Picture a time when icy comets and asteroids bombarded the young Earth, each collision leaving behind traces of water. Over millions of years, these cosmic bodies may have delivered the oceans that now cover 70% of our planet. Imagine the chaos of this ancient world, a violent, storm-ridden land gradually becoming the blue world we know today. The very water in your glass could have once traveled light years through space before landing here. Yet, the mystery deepens. Studies of ancient meteorites suggest that water might have existed in our solar system even before the Earth formed. If true, this water is older than our planet, older than the Sun, and perhaps older than life itself. But the story does not end there. New research suggests that Earth's water could be the result of both theories, some from deep within and some delivered from the far reaches of space. Could it be that our oceans are a cosmic cocktail, a blend of earthly and extraterrestrial origins? As scientists uncover more clues, one thing is clear: water, the very foundation of life, carries the fingerprints of cosmic forces far beyond our understanding. The truth behind Earth's water could help us locate alien life on distant planets, but we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. Is it possible that we are not alone in the universe, that water has seeded life elsewhere? Every drop of water could hold answers to these profound questions. So, the next time you drink a glass of water, think about the ancient journey it took to reach you. The mystery is still unfolding. Scientists are racing against time to uncover the full story, and so can you. Stay informed, explore the unknown, and be part of the discovery that could change our understanding of the universe forever.